Bookkeeping is vital for individuals and businesses alike. In this video, we'll explore the basics of bookkeeping and income and expense tracking. Learn how accurate record keeping can help you make informed financial decisions and achieve financial stability. Bookkeeping is the systematic recording and organizing of financial transactions. It plays a vital role in financial management by providing a clear picture of income, expenses, and assets. Accurate bookkeeping is crucial for informed decision-making and effective financial planning, enabling individuals and businesses to make sound financial choices and achieve their goals. Tracking income is vital for financial stability. It helps you understand your earning sources and manage them effectively. Categorize income from various sources like salaries, investments, and side businesses. Use spreadsheets or bookkeeping software to record income accurately. Organize records efficiently by creating separate folders or using digital tools. Stay on top of your finances and maximize your income with effective tracking. Expense tracking is crucial for maintaining financial control. It allows you to understand and manage your spending habits. Categorize expenses such as rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Record expenses accurately using manual entry or digital tools like expense tracking apps. Organize receipts and invoices by creating dedicated folders or utilizing cloud storage. Stay in control of your finances by effectively managing your expense tracking, enabling smarter financial decisions and better budgeting. Organizing income and expense data systematically is crucial for effective financial management. Categorizing data with labels or tags allows for easy retrieval and analysis. By analyzing data, you can calculate net income, identify spending trends, and make informed financial decisions. Take control of your finances by organizing your data and utilizing basic analysis techniques to gain valuable insights into your financial situation. Bookkeeping relies on fundamental principles. Accuracy and consistency are paramount. Timely record keeping ensures up-to-date financial information for better decision-making. Proper documentation and backups safeguard against data loss and support audit trails. Adhering to these principles ensures reliable financial records and promotes a solid foundation for individuals and businesses to track, analyze, and optimize their financial health. In this video, we covered the importance of bookkeeping, income and expense tracking, and organizing data for financial management. Implementing basic bookkeeping practices is crucial for gaining control over your finances. By doing so, you can make informed decisions, identify trends, and achieve long-term financial stability. Start your journey to effective bookkeeping today and unlock the benefits of better financial management. Thank you for watching our video on the importance of bookkeeping and effective financial management. By implementing basic bookkeeping practices, tracking your income and expenses, organizing your data, and analyzing it, you can gain better control over your finances. Remember, accurate record keeping and informed decision-making are the keys to achieving your financial goals and securing a stable future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay financially empowered, and we'll see you in the next video.